Ha galeng jong gari la Rakhe ya kasantrik unailur man laus nem kum Sngi Burom jong Nonghikai. Kini Sngi gede Sngi kha jong Dr. Sarve Pali Radha Krishnan ubreiru philosopher bapaunam badu bolongru presiden bar jong gari India. U Dr. Sarve Pali Radha Krishnan hakisnem ki baudang don hakne perthai ujungets kem bad ujupan pau ba kapule puthi galong badon kam hadu kata-kata bad manla wei pa wei ubriu ude bandon kapule puthi knang punyo ya kastat kanang. Badde namar kene ke jingsim kia jong u ban kentiu ya ke pule puthi badde namar kata kadau ka sarkar India ka ainam ya ke santrik jong nailur ka badi ke Sngi kha jong tiuru krau ban shim kum ke Sngi ke Kyrpang jong Nonghikai lane ke teachers day. Ha जिला मेघालय या Sngi Kyrpang jong Nonghikai lane ke teachers day la Rakhe ha Burom ki district bad ke school. Ha Nongbah Shillong ka tanat pule puthi jong ke jila ka Lapalong ya ke jing Rakhe ya ke Sngi Kyrpang jong Nonghikai ha uso satham auditorium ha ke baw menteri ka tanat pule puthi rakam sngewbha ulawan poi kum kongsan ha ke jing dalang jong ba HM sang pliang brio chairman jong ke education bad kum juro ke he sarkar bad ki wei ha ke jing Rakhe ya ke Sngi Nonghikai na kaliang jong sarkar kala pun ku Burom ya ke Nonghikai da ka state award bad ke district award.
Therefore, we ought us to be faithful. Because if you fail as a teacher, if we don't justice to the students as a teacher, we are spoiling, we are destroying the future of our children, the future of our society, and the future of our state, and the future of our nation. Therefore, as a teacher, when you are committed, when you are responsible, we always see the result. We have seen the narration story by Praveen Bakshi just after a few minutes ago. When we see some students and his testimony says of that kind, I am here because of all my teachers. If the testimony of the student doesn't well sound, teachers will cry. Therefore, the best satisfaction as a teacher is not about the salary, it's not about the attendance, it's not about something else. The success and the satisfaction as a teacher is the only when we see the best, the performing result of our students. When we see our students performing well, when our students are doing excellently well in different assignment, different sector, then as a teacher, you will feel safe. Today I want to tell my testimony. Maybe I want to remind today, I want to thank to all my teachers who have been safe and designed my life. I want to start from my father. My father is a humble primary teacher. He just retired. I was in school from the first day in my father's school. And I got the best teaching from my father. He is not only the father, but he was one of the brilliant teachers I have ever experienced.